If you find yourself logged out of your Instagram account due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your device or visit the Instagram website. Click on Forgot Password on the login page to start the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your information. Input your username, email address, or phone number associated with your account. This will help Instagram identify your account and send you a recovery link. Step 3. Check your email or SMS. Look for an email or SMS from Instagram containing a link to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click on the link provided to proceed. Step 4. Reset your password. Follow the instructions to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. This will help secure your account from future unauthorized access. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication. Once you regain access, go to your account settings and enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code sent to your phone whenever you log in from a new device. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Instagram account and enhance its security for the future. Always stay vigilant about your account activity to prevent similar issues.